In this video we're gonna make this beautiful birthday card. Cutting the chart equal this paper size. This paper is 8 inches times 11 inches. 8 inches times 11 inches equals 29.3 centimeters times 27.9 centimeters. Cutting it. Folding it. Drawing a semicircle. Again, cutting it. Now our card looks like this. Using any light color paper. Drawing a full circle of the same size as that of the cutout. Cutting the paper like a flower. It looks like this. Glue it. Using a sticky note to make flour. Cutting extra paper. Making square shape. Folding in a specific way. And making flower shape. Now cutting it. Our flower cutout is ready. Shaping the flower. Making the same flower cutout, but of a smaller size. Also shaping it. Glue it together. beautiful. Now we will make more flowers, like this. I have 4 different bright, colored square sheets. For small and for a little bit bigger. I have folded all the 4 sheets, bigger ones. Cutting all. For big flowers are ready. For small flowers are also ready. Opening them all. Shaping them. Gluing them. Adding pearls. Yay! Our flowers are ready. Now we'll glue them on the card. Drawing leaves. Cutting leaves. These leaves are looking so beautiful. Adding leaves to our card. Wow, our card is looking so beautiful. Writing wishes on it. Adding some sparkle in it by using glitter pens. And our card is ready. If you like this card, please like the video. And also comment about which type of card would you want me to make next. And don't forget to subscribe.